The thing is, when you heal, what they don't tell you is that it becomes lonely.
I think the wildest thing about the spiritual journey is that when you start to understand more about who you are and what you want, you realize that you've been putting up with a lot of stuff that you just didn't care for before. And now that you discovered yourself, you're like, well, wow, I don't know what to do. Well, you move up, you find other people who are interested in you. And that just takes a little bit of time because you're discovering yourself and you have to discover where the people are who are like you. You spent so many years being in places where people have not understood you, not understood themselves. And it's tempting to go back to those places to try and connect with those people, but don't you do it. Move forward because there is something better ahead. There are people who understand you and who are interested in you as a person. It's lonely right now, but it won't be for long. My name's Coach Lee. I'm a social connections coach, and I want to help you make more meaningful connections in your personal and professional life. Follow me if you want tips on exactly how to do this.